We have a plastic tool which would help us remove the adhesive from the actual computer. And we have a top which is a small circle which is quite sharp around the edges. If it wears out like this one, we can easily replace it. And now you can see the screen is easily coming off.
Now we'll use the foam mat from the back to keep the screen steady and not moving, so it stays in one place. Right. Once we're all set, Usman will hold one end and I will hold the other end, and we simply and slowly bring the screen away from the back. Right, so we keep it in this position, and now there's two main cables that has to be removed before we take it any further. So first off, we remove. They're both attached to the screen, so we have to carefully remove both cables. So this one's removed, and then
A little bit big up. Oh, no, no. Yeah, that's
right. Once the cables are removed, we can take the screen away.
no,
There's also adhesive at the bottom of the screen, so you have to be really careful. There we are. So just use a safe box. Right, so if we remove the adhesive,
Yeah.
slowly, so that's the bottom end of the iMac. Smile if you hold on to the screen.
Yeah, make sure the screen
Right, so one end is done, and Usman will show us the other end. Right, so now the screen has come apart, and now we will use some tools to remove the hard drive. Right, so we use a T8. Here we go. And then we'll go here and remove the first screw. Be careful not to drop it inside. Then we will remove that one as well. Okay.
We can use this as a magnetic tray.
That's good.
Yeah. And we remove the other one as well. So simply move it a little to the side, and there's the other two screws here. So just make sure you don't drop the screws in the bottom. Right. And we have one more. Here we are. So once the screws are removed, take the top off, and this is the hard drive removed. So now we will just back up the customer's data and replace it with a solid state drive. Would you like to show one? So we will use a HP one and replace it with a solid state drive, and the computer, the iMac, will work much faster.
Because this computer has a lot of dust inside it, we use a special tool to blow all of it.